Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to delete search suggestions when typing on Instagram. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Firstly, open the Instagram app and tap on the search icon, which is the magnifying glass at the bottom. Tap the search bar. Your previous searches will appear. To delete individual searches, tap the X next to the item you want to remove. Or to delete all searches at once, just tap See All in the top right, then tap Clear All to erase your entire search history. And that's it, as simple as that. You've now successfully removed search suggestions on Instagram, so when you type, it's not gonna show any previous suggestions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.